YouTube, this your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, sweetie squad, what's up, my lovies? Happy Sunday. What the heck just happened? Oh, okay. Anyways, guys, what is up? I'm so sorry I've not filmed in 3 days. I warned you that it was gonna happen because of me working. I work overtime on weekends sometimes, but I'm off the next 2 days, and then this weekend is Halloween. Yes! So, right now I have for you guys my mini Jeffree Star, and this is not just for me to review. This is for y'all because one of y'all will be winning this. So before we do all that, if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding 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 that bell. Turn your post look at my little feet. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways on this channel, and right now I have two. I have 2 giveaways going on right now because I'm about to announce the winner for this one. But I have the Hocus Pocus giveaway going on. All you have to do is know who or what I was named after. Please make sure you give the video a big thumbs up and comment down below that answer. Please also make sure you follow your girl on Instagram at SamanthaSweets100, and I'll be announcing that lucky winner on Halloween. And then 4 other people are gonna win my ColourPop palettes. I'm trying to grab them right here for y'all. ColourPop palettes, 1, 2, 3, 4, along with other goodies. You guys remember I'm throwing in the scary movies as well. And yes, I'm so excited. So make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you comment down below that video. What is your favorite scary movie? Give it a big thumbs up and share it if you can. And comment, follow your girl on Instagram at SamanthaSweets100. All right, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so a lot of y'all are still DMing me. You guys are telling me what's in your boxes. I absolutely love it. I'm so sorry that I've been kind of ghost the last couple of days. If you guys don't remember, I did hit 7K, and I'm so happy and so blessed, and thank you guys so much to the moon and back. So excited. I have so many videos I need to get out this week, honestly. My Jeffree Star, my tier, my mini, my premium, my deluxe has not shipped yet. That really sucks because I was really hoping to get it before Halloween, and I don't even have a shipping yet. So it's kind of weird that I ordered those 3 boxes and then I went back in and ordered the mini, and the mini came way before those boxes. So what can you do? It's Jeffree. But we're going to go ahead and show you guys, because I did ask you in that other spoiler video, do you guys want to see it or do you want it to be a surprise? And about 85% of y'all said you wanted to see it. So bam, I'm going to do this right here. I was going to go ahead and say, oh, well, let's go ahead and make this be the video, and you guys can go ahead and go in for it. But already over 3,500 people watched that video, and they put see or surprise, and that's what I said was going to be your entry for the mini box. So we're just going to leave it at that, and I'm going to have another giveaway when my other boxes come. So today I will be announcing the winner of this mini box. Remember, I don't choose it. I have a random comment picker, and it chooses it for me. It just goes, and then bing, it, you guys know how it goes. But first, I will show you guys what I got in the box because I'm actually kind of curious, honestly, and it's my first time getting a hold of a Jeffree Halloween box this year so far. So I am excited to open this up and then to see who it goes to. And I hope you guys appreciate it and love it and everything like that. What was I gonna say? Oh, there is a gloss called Wet Peach that I am dying to get my hands on. So when I open my boxes, if you guys do not like Wet Peach, let me know, and I will definitely trade with y'all because I want to get my hands on that. That is such a beautiful gloss. And I mean, honestly, how many Jeffree Star spoilers could you do? You know what I mean? Like, I think I've done 5 videos for it, and it's like, I got other stuff I need to do. So I don't really have any other updates besides the fact that people got duplicates of the same color in their boxes, and that ultimately sucks. But I think that one of my subscribers asked me, he said, Samantha, is there a checklist? I heard there is a Jeffree Star checklist. Like, kind of like, like a Pokemon or a Beanie Baby, something like that. And I said, no, not to my knowledge. Jeffree Star really should come out with a checklist. Seeing how he has rare holographs, really, rare highlighters, rare liquid lips, rare lip glosses. Like, I feel like he should definitely come out with, the beanies, the hat, the shirts. He should come out with some type of a checklist so that the ride or die Jeffree Star fans that collect, like one of my subscribers said that she wants the lip balm in Widow, not because really she's going to use it, just because she needs it for her collection. So I completely respect that. Me, not so much a collector. I'm not going to keep it if I'm not going to use it. So that's what I got to say about that. And that's probably why I've bought in the conspiracy, sold it, bought the cremated, sold it. You know what I mean? So, you never know. But anyways, let's go ahead and see what's in this box, because I'm actually kind of curious. So we got the mini box right here. I'm gonna open it up. And guys, again, I do apologize that I've not filmed. Where did my knife just go? I have been working my butt off, and oh my gosh, work has just been hectic. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Okay. Damn, I'm not trying to damage the box because I want to ship this box out to you guys. Okay. Ooh. Do. Also, guys, remember the winner, please make sure he or she contacts me at SamanthaSweets100 on Instagram so I can get your address so I can ship your goodies out to you. So everything is wrapped up in this orange and black paper. So I love that he has the Halloween scheme going on. All right, so we have here the gloss, Crystal Climax. Okay, now, I don't know if this is the one that, okay, let me just see. I wonder if this is the, no. So this is like a brown, I don't want to take it all the way out, but you guys can kind of see it's like a bronzy brown. This is the one I don't want. I want, I cannot think what it is, but it's like this gorgeous golden champagne kind of color. It's gorgeous. Oh my God. Shockwave. That's what it's called. Shockwave. So I'm really hoping I get Shockwave. We have a liner, and this is in, oh, she got weirdo. She got, or he or she, whatever. Damn. So now we know it was a she. It's a she that won my giveaway, but I've not said what she yet. Darn you, Samantha. Okay, anyways, the person got weirdo. And this is the liquid liner right here. Oh, man, that is so cool. I'm so happy for you, honestly. I hope I get weirdo in mine because I've been looking for a good black. Okay. Oh, excuse me. And unicorn blood. And we all know what that looks like, so I'm not going to open it. But here it is right here. A beautiful fall color. All right. Let me wrap everything back up. Hope I get weirdo. I want weirdo. I want shockwave. I want a good variety in my box. What can I say? Okay. So, drum roll. And I do apologize that I said it was a she, because yes, it is a she. Drum roll. Bing! The winner is Amanda Duh. Congratulations, Amanda. I think you're one of my new subscribers because I don't really recognize the name. But I saw what you read in the comments, and I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you for finding my channel and for joining my Sweetie Squad family. So, Amanda Duh, congratulations, girl. Comment, make sure you contact me on Instagram at SamanthaSweets100 so I can get your address and get your goodies out to you as soon as possible. Now, for the rest of my Sweetie Squad fans and everything like that, do not fret. Don't get sad. This is just one giveaway. I still have the Hocus Pocus, the 4 winners of the ColourPop palette, and another Jeffree Star. So, hold your horses. Don't get mad. Get glad. But nah, just don't give up, guys. Honestly, it's the luck of the draw. You never know who's going to win. And like I said, after these giveaways, November 1st, me and a prominent, okay, YouTuber are doing a collab, huge makeup holiday giveaway with 2 lucky winners. So definitely stay subscribed. Definitely make sure you give these videos a big thumbs up. And guys, keep on sending me your DMs of your Jeffree Star spoilers. I absolutely appreciate them. I love them. I love seeing the different variety. And there definitely has been some new variety, honestly. You guys ask, are you a Jeffree Star fan? I am. I'm not ashamed to admit it. I love me some Jeffree Star. I think Jeffree Star is such a humble person. He came from rags to riches. But one thing I love about him is he knew he was going to be a somebody. And he never let anybody call him an alien or a weirdo or that horrible word I hate because he likes the other, not females. Who cares? Who cares? Why should we care who he loves or who makes him happy? We shouldn't. Okay? We're all to have someone to love. So be it. That's how I'm leaving it because I don't want to go into detail with that because I could do a whole video on that. But besides that, please comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see. Like I said, I have a lot of videos coming up this week. I have a stack of boxes like this that I need to film. So I will see you guys on the next video. Again, congratulations, Amanda. Duh. And as always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. Love y'all. Bye.